Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Trench Tech. Today we're going to show you how to bypass Circle with Disney on a Windows PC. So as you can see here, we've got the device paused page. We're getting the privacy error on Google and YouTube, so we just can't get anywhere. So with Windows, there's a really easy way to bypass this. There's a similar method with a Mac and Linux. Unfortunately, this is not possible on a cell phone. But let me show you these steps so you can know how to bypass it. The first thing you're going to want to do is open the command prompt. The quickest way to do that is to click on the start and then type CMD, and then you're going to want to right click it and click run as administrator, and then just click yes that you want to allow it to make changes. So now you can see that we've got an administrator command prompt. We're going to need a couple of things to make this possible. We're going to need to know the name of our network connection, the default IP address of our router, and the default MAC address of the router. So to get some of this information, we can right click on our network connection and click Open Network and Sharing Center. Once that's open, we can click Change Adapter Settings, and we can see that we're currently connected to Wi-Fi. So Y-Fi. So that's the name of the network. We're going to need that. To get the default IP address, we can right click on this and click Properties. Just double click it and then click Details. And then we can see the default gateway is 192.168.11.1. And then to get the default MAC address, it's usually a sticker on the bottom of the router or side. It's 12 characters and it's 6 sets of 2. So to check to see if Circle is working, we type ARP space -A, and this lists the ARP table. We can see that our router is this 11.1 and the MAC address is the same as the Circle. So that's what this command is going to do, is it's going to override that command. So we need to type netsh space -C space interface space IPv4 space add space neighbor with an S, neighbors, and then in quotes the name of the connection, so in my case Y-Fi space, and then in quotes the IP address, and then in quotes the MAC address, and then store equals persistent. So netsh -C interface IPv4 add neighbors Wi-Fi, the IP address, the MAC address, and then store equals persistent, and then enter. So now if we do ARP-A, we can see that the IP or the MAC address associated with the IP address of 11.1 is no longer the Circle, but it's now the router itself. So if we try to reload YouTube, we'll get right in. Same thing with Google, and then this I was using Google because I know it has a non-secure certificate. So now that we've bypassed it, if we want to put everything back so that no one knows, we do ARP space -D, which stands for delete. And now if we do ARP-A, we can see that the MAC address is now back to the Circle. So I'll leave the command down in the description. If you have additional questions, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.